My name is Shanae Yelder, and I am a certified information systems auditor and the founder of Exploit Consulting, where we focus on strategically incorporating information security. We understand that healthcare providers are here to help us, yet they are currently being burdened by malicious hackers trying to infiltrate their data. Therefore, we are here to help those healthcare providers improve the management of their data security so that they can focus on doing what they do best. As mentioned before, healthcare providers are being burdened with malicious hackers trying to breach their data, and well, healthcare breaches are very expensive. As you can see from the chart, healthcare data breaches with 500 or more records have increased substantially between 2009 and 2020. And that's important to note because HIPAA penalties can range anywhere from $100 to $50,000 per record, which obviously is very expensive. And that doesn't even factor in other fees such as legal fees or costs associated with lawsuits and hiring third-party providers to come in and help those healthcare providers remediate and restore their information systems. So we are here to help. We try to help, or we will help healthcare providers mitigate the risk associated with being breached. We will do that by providing a risk assessment that will highlight our client's current risk profile and provide steps for how to improve through implementing security best practices. So now let's discuss our product a little more. We will be developing a client portal site that our clients can access, and it will consist of a 3-step process. The first part will be our clients completing a questionnaire where they will provide detail regarding their risk posture, their risk tolerance, and what their perceived vulnerabilities are. And based on their answers, those answers will be assessed against industry and regulatory standards, where they will be provided action steps for how to remediate their security program and to move towards goal state. And they will also be provided template policy documents. In researching our target market, we found that there are about 342,410 healthcare providers in the US and 13,101 healthcare providers in Michigan. Of those Michigan healthcare providers, we plan to focus on healthcare providers that have about 10 plus staff. And we've come with that number because in doing our customer discovery interviews, we found that smaller practices were a little harder to sell our value to, as they didn't necessarily see the value that we could provide for them specifically. Our business model is pretty simple. We will have the customer portal site. So our customers will pay a flat rate for 1-year access to that portal. And within that portal, they will be given their risk assessment with their action items and policy documents. The qualifications that I have are, I am a certified information systems auditor. As mentioned before, I have 7 years of experience in IT audit and risk. I have a BA and an MBA in management information systems. And I also presented at Secure World Detroit in 2017 about implementing a risk-based cybersecurity program. To date, we have completed the following milestones. We are currently a participant in TechTown's Steep Accelerator. We've conducted 30 discovery interviews where we have been able to identify our attainable market. And we have began drafting emails to partner with healthcare associations so that we can tap into their network of providers. So now how can you help? We are in need of web portal developers and designers and legal advice for copywriting and policy creation. I would like to thank you for your time and listening to my pitch. Once again, my name is Shanae Yelder with Exploit Consulting, and I look forward to hearing from you in the future. Thank you.